Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video of just the reveals, which is the most exciting part of the tie-dye process.
To do a stripe, so I use paint sticks with rubber bands to get kind of like a bigger stripe. So I'm excited to see how that one turned out. Okay, so since the rubber bands weren't that tight, I guess it kind of was like a little bit more of a loose stripe. But I still think it's really cute. Here's the back. The back turned out more stripey than the front. I like it. There's more. Okay, a little more. Get it off. Okay. Oh yeah, so this is like an accordion fold with the string. So you get quite a lot of white. Anything that's like inside the string is gonna stay white. It has all these different shapes, itajame shapes, clamped. This one fell off already, but I'm gonna take off the rest and see how it turned out. This is this triangle. This is a smaller triangle. It's a little square. And the tiniest triangle. So cute. Okay. Let's see how this one turned out. Oh, interesting. I didn't even remember that this was done not as a square. Wow, it's really cool. It kind of almost looks like an Egyptian pattern or something. Wow, that's gonna make an amazing quilt piece. Now I'm gonna open up this scrunched little donut of Shibori. It's been tied with a plastic string. There it is. Drop it. Wow. That's really pretty on the sides there. It almost looks like a reptile. That's really cool. Let that dry. I'm going to unclamp this right triangle. Fold. Ooh, pretty. Very delicate pattern. Cool. So that's going to oxidize to a blue color. Here's the back. So now I'm going to open up this pipe wrapped trying carefully not to cut the fabric. That's a bummer when that happens. Now I'm going to slide it off and just cut all these strings here. This is looking pretty cool. Already? Alright. Whoa. looks like the water. Let's see here. Here's the other side. That's cool. Hi, today I'm going to open up some more Shibori for you. This one is folded into quarters and then diagonally folded into accordion style pleats, and then I put rubber bands on it throughout the whole piece. And this fabric has a little bit of a pattern to it. It's kind of like a little fan pattern. It's woven in. I'm trying to be careful not to cut the fabric. I just want to cut the rubber bands so you can see the resist. I think it's going to be a nice contrast. Let's see here. This is pretty thick, so it came through just on the front. I guess it didn't get through the back. That's okay. You know, if this happens, you can always cut the fabric and re-dye it. That's probably what I'll do, because this is nice fabric. It's nice and thick. It's good quality cotton, and you can see the like pattern on there. So yeah, that's nice. That's a nice combination of blue and white. Nice even distribution. Alright, so this is the monster here, and I'm cutting it apart. Being careful not to cut the fabric. Okay. Massive. I like it.